10 mind-blowing DIY projects using only 5-liter water bottles. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some amazing DIY projects you can create using 5-liter water bottles. I know what you're thinking, 5-liter water bottles? Those big clunky things? Yes, don't underestimate them. These aren't your average water bottles. They're about to become the stars of your next DIY adventure. Let's get started. From trash to treasure. The easiest plant pot you'll ever make. Alright, for our first DIY project, we're going to transform a simple water bottle into a stylish plant pot. First, grab your trusty water bottle. Rinse it out, give it a good scrub. Now, let's talk drainage. Grab a drill and carefully put some holes in the bottom of the bottle. Now comes the fun part, decorating. This is where you can let your creative juices flow. Grab some paint, maybe some cool patterned duct tape, or even some old fabric scraps. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to get planting. Fill your new pot with some high-quality soil, pop in your favorite plant, give it a good watering, and boom! Want to take your plant pot to the next level? Try wrapping some twine around the outside for a rustic look. You can even glue on some googly eyes and give your plant a personality. The possibilities are endless. Conquer the clutter. The ultimate storage box hack. Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, these water bottles are here to save the day. We're going to turn them into super practical and, dare I say, stylish storage boxes. For top loading, simply cut off the top portion of the bottle. For a side opening, carefully cut out a rectangular or square-shaped window on the side. You can paint the bottle, cover it in colorful paper, or even wrap it in fabric. These storage boxes are perfect for organizing everything from gardening supplies to toys. Light up your life. DIY lanterns that will make your neighbors jealous. Get ready to add some magic to your home with these enchanting DIY lanterns. First, grab your water bottle and decide on your design. Do you want a starry night effect? Then use a small nail or a drill to carefully punch holes of different sizes all over the bottle. Now, for the fun part, adding some color. You can paint the bottle, cover it in colorful tissue paper, or even use permanent markers to create a stained glass effect. To illuminate your lantern, you can use a battery-operated tea light, a string of fairy lights, or even a small LED candle. Place your light source inside the bottle, and voila! You've got a beautiful glowing lantern that's sure to impress. Spoil your furry friend, the pet food container upgrade. Okay, animal lovers, this project is for you. We're going to give our furry friends a stylish upgrade with a custom-made pet food container. Grab your trusty water bottle and give it a good wash. Once it's dry, carefully cut off the top portion of the bottle, leaving enough height to hold a good amount of food or water. Now, let's get creative and decorate. You can paint the bottle with your pet's favorite colors, add their name using stencils, or even create a fun design using paw print stamps. To make the container extra special, consider adding some personal touches. Your pet will love their new personalized food container, and you'll love how much cleaner and more organized their feeding area looks. From landfill to lunchbox. The water bottle reinvented. We're going to take those empty water bottles and give them a new lease on life as reusable water bottles or liquid containers. Start by giving your water bottle a thorough cleaning. If you want to get rid of the original bottle opening, simply cut it off. This will give you a wider opening, perfect for thicker liquids like smoothies or even soups. Just be sure to sand down those edges to avoid any accidental sippy cup injuries. To add a touch of personality, you can decorate your new bottle with your favorite colors, patterns, or even stickers. You can also use permanent markers to write inspirational quotes, draw funny doodles, or even label your bottle with your name. And there you have it. your very own reusable water bottle or liquid container, perfect for taking to work, school, the gym, or even on a hike. Bloom and bottle garden decorations that will make your plants jealous. Transform your garden with these eye-catching DIY decorations. Gather your water bottles and give them a good rinse. Paint the bottles in vibrant colors, wrap them in colorful yarn or fabric, or use markers to create fun designs. Decorate the bottles whole or cut them into shapes. Find the perfect spot for your creations in the garden. Stick them into the ground, hang them from branches, or create a colorful border around your flower beds. Add a personal touch to your outdoor space. Get ready to tackle that garage clutter with these super practical DIY tool and storage racks. We're going to be using those empty water bottles to create a custom storage solution that's both functional and budget-friendly. First, grab your water bottles and decide on the size and shape of your shelves or holders. You can cut the bottles in half to create open-top containers, or cut out specific shapes to hold tools, gardening supplies, or other small items. Remember to measure twice and cut once. Once you've got your pieces cut out, it's time to smooth out any rough edges with sandpaper. Now for the fun part. Attaching your shelves or holders to your garage wall or existing shelves. You can use screws, nails, strong glue, or even heavy-duty Velcro strips. And there you have it, a custom storage solution that's tailored to your specific needs. Outsmart those pests. The DIY insect trap that actually works. Get ready to say goodbye to those pesky insects with this simple yet surprisingly effective DIY insect trap. First, grab your water bottle and give it a good rinse. Once it's dry, carefully poke or drill several small holes around the top portion of the bottle. Now for the secret weapon, the bait. You can use a mixture of sugar and water, fruit juice, or even a few drops of dish soap mixed with water. Pour your bait into the bottle, filling it about 1/3 of the way full. Now, for an extra layer of bug-trapping power, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or cooking oil around the inside rim of the bottle. Place your DIY insect trap in an area where you've noticed insect activity. You can hang it from a tree branch, place it on the ground near your plants, or even set it on a windowsill. From trash to treasure. Unleash your inner artist with recycled art. Get ready to tap into your creative side with this fun and eco-friendly art project. First, gather your materials. You'll need your empty water bottles, of course, as well as scissors, craft knives, glue, paint, markers, and any other decorative elements you'd like to use. Now let your imagination run wild. You can cut the bottles into different shapes, layer them to create three-dimensional effects, or even melt and mold the plastic to create unique textures. Once you've created your desired shapes and forms, it's time to add some color and personality. You can paint your creations, cover them in colorful paper or fabric, or even use mosaic techniques to create intricate patterns. The possibilities are endless. Makeup Mayhem, be gone. The DIY Makeup Organizer. Get ready to say goodbye to Makeup Mayhem with this easy and affordable DIY makeup organizer. First, grab your water bottles and decide on the size and configuration of your organizer. You can use a single bottle for a small collection, or connect multiple bottles together to create a larger multi-compartment organizer. Once you've decided on your design, carefully cut the bottles to your desired size and shape. Now, for the fun part, adding some style. You can paint your organizer, cover it in colorful paper or fabric, or even use decorative tape to create patterns and designs. Get creative and make it your own. And there you have it, 10 fantastic DIY projects you can make with 5-liter water bottles. We've tackled plant pots, storage boxes, lanterns, pet food containers, reusable bottles, garden decorations, tool racks, insect traps, recycled art, and makeup organizers. So grab those empty bottles and start crafting. Unleash your inner DIYer and see what amazing things you can create. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY ideas. See you next time.